Yeah, yes. Today we are going to discuss the linear equations in one variables. One variable. Okay. So thing is what is the linear equation actually? What is the variables actually? These are the things we need to discuss today. Then after that we'll go for. I'll explain very clearly what is the topic of this the linear equation. What is the variables? I'll discuss. So let us. I'll write one examples. So example generally the what do you understand by variable? Generally, what do you understand by variable means the variables we can write x, y, z. The English letters, small letters we can use. Sometimes we can use p, q, or st. These also we can use as a variables. Variables means the value we can change. The constant means value we cannot change. These are called variables. Next, this is clear. This is called variables. So they are telling one variable. It means whatever you are going to write the equations which are having only one variables. That is clear. Then come to that linear equations. So first of all, what are the types of equations which are available in the things? What are the things you need to understand? So let us take first. You need to before going to that, we need to understand what is the order. What do you understand by order of the equation? Order of the equation. First of all, this I'll try to explain the order of the equation. Then I'll move forward. The order of the equation is nothing but the highest power of variable in the given equation. The highest power of the variable in the given equation. Let us I'll try to take example and try to introduce what are the equations are there. Let us I'll try to take for equation number one. It is 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the one equation. In the equation, the I'll try to see that how many number of variables are there. Only one variable, that is x. So number of variables is 1. Okay. Next, order of the equation. Order of equation is nothing but here what are the variable is there? The variable is 1. The variable 1 is x. What's the power of x? If nothing is there, you can take it 1. So order of equation is 1. Next, I will take another example for our convenient. Second example is 3x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here, the number of variables. How many variables are there? Only one variable, that is x only. Because x square x or x cube which are comes in only single category. So number of variables is 1. Next, order of equation. What is the order of equation means? Highest power of. This is nothing is there. It is 1. This is power of variable is 2. First x power is 1. Second x power is 2. So highest power you can take into consideration. The order of an equation is 2. Okay. Next, I'll try to take another example to get more clearance. 3x cube plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x cube plus 5 is equal to 0. Here, let us, you can take the number of variables. The number of variables or number of variables are only x. That is nothing but 1. Next, order of equation. What is the order of equation now? The order of equation is x power how much it is there? So nothing but order of equation is 3. Are you clear? Order of equation 3. Now let us I'll write. Now you understand what do you understand by variables? Variables nothing but these are unknown parameter. The variables. Number of variables means you can count it is in single category x of there. This is number of variables. Order of is x power is there. X power, right? So if order of the equation is 1, if is order of equation is 1, I can write order of equation is 1. Such a type of equation called as linear equations. Linear equations. If order is 2, those called as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quarter means 2. Quadratic equation. If order is 3, that is cubic equations. That is cubic equation. So, but your latest chapter is linear equation with one variable. It means we can write a direct answer. You are going to deal entire chapter is order is 1. Number of variables are how many? Number of variables how many? One variable. The number of variables are only one. Whatever the entire chapter you take, the number of variables in equation should be only one. The order of will be one only. Example, 2x plus 5. Number of variables 1. The order of equation is 1. Like this will come. Sometimes 2y plus 8. Number of variables are 1. Order of equation is 1. Linear equation with one variable. Sometimes 2t plus 5 also. Number of variables is 1. Order of equation is 1. Sometimes like this also will come. 2y plus 8 by x minus y minus 1. It means number of order of equation is 1 only. Number of variables is 1 only. So type your thing. Don't say that 1 1 2. Don't say it is 1 only. All categories should be 1 only. So y is under one category. So either you take rx, either you take it ry, either you can take z bar. It should be like that only. So these are all variables. Now you are clear. Linear equation one variable. So clear, right? So example session is done. Now you need to understand what do you understand by 0? What do you understand by 0? What do you understand by root? Root or 0 or solving value. This is what you understand with the meaning of this one. 0 or root or solving. If any time they'll ask a question like this, solve the equation, that is 3x plus 5, or else solve, or else find, another way they'll ask a question, find the root of equation 3x plus 5. Okay, or else they'll ask find, or else find the 0 of the equation. The all cases you take solve a root or a 0, the meaning is same. It means the value of root or 0 nothing but what value you substitute in place of x. What value substitute in place of x, the equation becomes 0. The equation becomes 0. That is the value of, that is the meaning of 0 or root or solvable value. Okay, let us, I'll try to take your same example, I'll try to solve it. So actually how to find 0, how to write 0 or root for equation, this is the question. Now how to find a solution, I'll explain it. The procedure is very simple. I'll try to take the steps first. Step number 1 is, I'll try to take an example, I'll explain it better. Question is, first question, solve the equation, that is 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Or the people will sometimes just the people are mentioned just 3x plus 5 only. Like that they mention. Whatever they mention, first you take the equation, step number 1. Equation, keep it is equal to 0. So first you take equation is f of x. First step is take f of x is equal to, you can take question. Okay. Step number 2, first step I'll try to take. First take it is f of x. Question is f of x is equal to 0. Second step, equation f of x, you are going to equate it to 0. So second step is once f of x is equal to 0, that nothing but this is equal to 0. Okay, take a question f of x is equal to, then after second step, that question or f of x is equal to 0, equated to 0, nothing but 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Step number 3 is keep x terms or variable terms. X here variable is x, that's what I'm telling. Keep x term or left side, other terms send it to RHS, right hand side. X terms will be LHS side, other terms will be RHS side. So here the question is 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. What are the x terms? 3x is comes under x case. So 3x is left side only, but 5 is not required for us. So you can send to right side. If it is plus 5, you go for that side. minus 5. Remember, if it is during place left, go for that side minus. Next case, I want only x value. I don't want 3. So the 3 is multiplying with x. If it go that side, it should be divide. So minus 5 by 3. The value of x is minus 5 by 3. Just trying to say that. Take step 1, f of x is the question. Just f of x is equal to 0, then equated to 0. What are terms are there? X terms, keep it left, other has to be sent to right side. But you want only x value. That's what I was 3 also. I shifted to this one. Okay. I'll try to say one more thing actually. If a plus b by c is there, then c plus d, d plus, I'll take one more, some example. So a plus b is equal to c plus d. If it is you wanted to send a b to right side, this is a plus b. The b is adding to this. If it's adding to this means if you go that side means the b value going to be subtracted, minus b you write. Some number is adding for this. If you go that side, it should be subtracted. Okay. If it is another case, if you wanted to shift the value of c to left means what you can say that a plus b minus c is equal to d. Plus means minus, minus means plus. That is clear. Step number 1. Next, another case, we have the another set of example. I'll try to say for you. If value a by b is equal to c by d is there. If you wanted to shift the value of b to right side, but b what is doing? It is dividing by a. If it is dividing means if you go right side, it's multiply. So a by is equal to c by d. B should be multiply with that side. Division means multiply. Okay, that is the case. Now this is the equation. I don't want c. I don't want c. I send to the left side. It means c is multiplying with this. C is multiplying with some other number. You need to send to this division. So a by the value of c coming from here to here by multiplier like this. Okay, is equal to b by d1 is d like this. If it is a division, go for multiply. If it is multiply, come to the division. So overall conclusion is LHS to RHS. The terms are shifting. The terms are shifting. Rules. Number 1, if it is place A, LHS side, let's go to that RHS minus A. Rule number 1, if it is minus A, if you go that side, place A. RHS, LHS. LHS plus A, if you go that side, minus A. If it is minus A, go to that side, plus A. If it is multiply with some other term, LHS, if you go for that side, it should be division. The fourth case, it is division with some other term. If you go to that particular side, it should go for multiply. These are the terms. You has to be very clear the rules. If rules are not supposed to go, you're unable to understand the next levels. Okay. Now let us. I'll try to take problems in your textbooks. Some examples. I'll be explain with you. Then you has to see just. Okay. Just I'll take exercise some model problems. So I'll try to take sample problems for your understanding. First, the people are telling solve the equation. Solve the equations. I'll take to first bit, the first problem. The problem number is x minus 2 is equal to 7. They already mentioned the equation. You don't have to do it anything. If they already is equal to the mention, you need not to keep. If they mention single term, you equal to 0. Okay. So now let us take x minus 2 is equal to 7 is a question. Is equal to the mention, no need to do it. Okay, that we continue. Next, what I told you, step number 1 is clear because f of x already mentioned, the is equal to already mentioned. Step number 2 are trying to equate because these things are not equal. Already equality is existence. You need not to do it. Okay. Next, what I told you, step number 3, you need to x term should be left. What are x terms? This is only term. This should be left. LHS. RHS means what? Minus 2 is there. Sent to right side. What is going to happening is minus 2 goes that side. If it is minus 2 in left side, if you go right side, what is the thing will come? Plus 2 will come. Okay. LHS to RHS. Now what is the value of x is equal to plus 9? Please apply the mindset. X minus 2 is equal to 7. Minus 2 is not there. Please go to that side. Plus 2 because not required. So LHS, what is the left out portion? X. 7 is as you copy. Plus 2. X equal to 9. The value is x equal to 9. So I tell you check process also available. Your answers are correct or not. I told you many times. So what is the solution or solving equation? Means this x equal to 9 satisfy this equation. Is it satisfying or not? You can check it out. First you take a question. Check process. What's the value of x is equal to 9 is their answer. You substitute in the equation. LHS equal to RHS is required. So x means 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And 9 minus 2, 7. 7 is equal to 7. Your answer is right. Otherwise, your answer is wrong. Something is data. First question is clear. No doubt at all. Next, I'm trying to take a second question now. Second question is y plus 3 is equal to 10. So people simply understanding is the question is let us I'll try to come to the chapter name. Is it linear equation or not? Yes, because the order is 1. Is it linear equation one variable? Yes, exactly. The variable is y. So next, okay, step number 1, step number 2 is not required here. Step number 3. What are the variables are there here? Y is a variable. Keep y is left side. So it's already it's left. You don't need to y has to be there. Is equal to 10 you write. Plus 3 is not required to me. I'll send to right side. It becomes minus 3. So y is equal to answer is 10 minus 3. Answer is 7. Answer is okay. But you have a doubt, please go for check process. Check process is y plus 3 is equal to 10. What's the value of y now? 7. Substitute 7 here. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 10. You are a topper now. Clear? Good. So sample problems I don't want to work. I'll go for a very typical problems. Third problem is the CBSE textbook I was leaving. I was go for next another problem. I'll take an example as 3. So next 6 another third example I'll take 6x is equal to 12. It's a very simple problem. But this is linear equation one variable. It's very clear. But I want only x value. So 6x is equal to 12 because x terms are left only. But I don't want x actually. I don't want 6 actually. I want only x value. So 6 is multiply with x. It's go for that side. Division. Okay. Many times I told you, please apply our mindset. X is multiplying with this. If you go for that side, it's division. It should not addition. It should not subtract. It should multiply. It's a division. Previous case is different. Previous case, this is adding. If you go the subtraction. Now here it is. It should multiply if you go for division. X is equal to 12 by 6. So 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. Answer is x is equal to 2. So still if you want to check process, 6x is equal to 2. Value of 6 you substitute. Value of 2 you substitute here. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Now 12 is equal to 12. Your answer is correct. Clear? Next, I'll try to take another model. Fourth question for you. T, small t by 5 is equal to 10. Okay. You should take a question. It is t by 5 is equal to 10. Nothing is the 10 by 1. But I think I told you the terms or variables should be left because t is already left. But I don't want value of y. Why I should shift? So how can I shift? RHS you write as is. LHS 5 is not required. By 5, what is doing with a variable? It is dividing. It is dividing with this. So t by 1 should left. So 5 should go to right side. It should be multiply. Nothing is that. It is one denominator. So next, the value of t is equal to 10 5s. The answer is 50. 10 5s. The answer is 50. Clear? Right. Now go for a checkpoint. T by 5 is equal to 10 by 1. So substitute a value t here. 50 by 5 is equal to 10. So 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja. The 10 is equal to 10. Your answer is finished. Your answer is correct. Now you think clear? Addition I told you just now. Multiplication I told you. Now I was given. Division problem also I was explained. Okay. Next. So I'll try to take some other complex problem for today. The fourth one. Next. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Now this is a fraction models. Now whatever the model is there, process is same. Now let us take the question as it is. It is x. Now variable is x. You want to find a value of x. So x should be left. Right side part as it is. Left I don't want 3 by 7. This is plus 3 by 7. Go for that side minus 3 by 7. So fractions denominators are same. We can write directly 17 minus 3. The value of x is equal to 17 minus 3 is nothing but 13 by 7. The answer is 13 by 7 or 14 by 7. 14 by 7. Additions must be clear first of all. 17 minus 3, 14 by 7. Okay. This is clear. Okay. Is it answers are correct or not? Go for check process. So 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Substitute value of x here. So 3 by 7 plus 14 by 7 is equal to 17 by 7. Is it not? So the denominators are same. So 13 plus 4, 17. 17 by 7 is equal to 17 by 7. Answer is correct. Okay. Now this is a very simple problem. Okay. Next question, it is there. Okay. Next, I want to go for another problem, set of problem. The fifth problem is there. I'll take the sequence. So 2x by 3 is equal to 18. The 2x by 3 is equal to 18. So nothing is a trait, it is one term. So next, go for solution process. What are the terms which are there in the solution part? So we want only x terms. So 2x by 3 is equal to 18 by 1. So 2x by 3. The 2 by 3 is not required to me. So I should send to right side. I'll try to remove 1. I'll try to 2x is equal to 18 by 1. I want to shift 3 to right side. Because 3 is dividing with this. I'll go for that side. It should multiply. So 3 by 1. Next step, I don't want to 2. So next I wanted to replace with 2. So 18 into 3 by. So 2 is multiplied with this. You go for division. It's go for division like this. So 2 ones are 2 nines are 18. So 9 threes are answer is 18. Am I clear, right? Or is okay? 3 nines are 27. Sorry, answer is 27. So what's the value of x? X is 27. Answer is 27. If you want to checkpoint, you can go and checkpoint also available. So 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Is it correct or not? So instead of x, you substitute your value is 27. So 2 into 27 by 3. Is it getting 18 or not? You can check it out. 3 ones are 3 nines are 27. 9 twos are 18. So 18 is equal to 18. Your answer is finished. Clear. There is no doubt at all. Okay. Now let us simple problems are over. I'll try to one more sample problem for today solving the linear equation. Sixth problem is 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. It's little important problem. So solution is you can the value of x variable, it should be left or right. Left I told you. If you take right or no problem. If it is left means this part I'll write rewrite left. Y by 1.5 is equal to 1.6. Question nothing wrong in that. Next you want to value as fully y. You don't want 1.5. I should send to right side. So y is equal to 1.5 RHS as is, because here the 1.5 is dividing with this. If you go for that side, it should be multiplying. If you go for that side is multiplying. So y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5 is nothing but 1.6. I can write 16 by 10. So 1.5 I write 15 by 10. If you have a comfortable tables, you can cancel 5 2s are 5 3s are. Next 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. There is no cancellation. 8 3s are 24 by 10. So am I clear, right? The value of thing is 24 are still possible is there, right? 2 5s are 2 12s are. Answer is 12 by 5. Okay, 12 by 5. Y is equal to 12 by 5. So if your answers are correct or not, you can go for check process. You can do it out. I don't want to waste my time as like a previous problem. Okay. Now next, I'll go for a next sample problem. Seventh one. So the seventh one is 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. The problem is it's very simple. You need to find out x. So this case, this you can send the left. Other things should be right side. So RHS as is. So here minus 9 is there. Left side is shift to right side means plus 9 will come. So 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. It becomes 25. So x is equal to 25 by 7. This is your procedure is done. If you have an answer doubt, go for check process. I don't want to do right now. You can, because many problems I was already read off. You can checking it out how to find the value of RHS and all. Okay. Next, I will take another last problem. Now it is 7th is over. Now I'll take the problem is 8th problem top to my sequence. So randomly I'll take the textbook. 8th one is you'll take it. So this is 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So 14y is equal to, I'll try to take, the problem is very simple. Here the thing is I'll try to erase and I'll write it is the 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. You can take as a sample thing 14y is a left side because the things is common, is equal to 13 is there, minus 8, so 8 is there, you can add for this plus 8. The 14y is there, then 18 plus 13 plus 8, so 21. So y is equal to 21 by 14. If you're comfortable, 7 2 ja, 7 3 ja, so answer y is equal to 3 by 2. If you want to go for check process, you can check it out. Okay, clear. Now next, we'll go for a next problem, last one for a today's session. The problem number is, it's very simple. That is problem number 9 now for today's session. The 9th problem is x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Okay. So here the problem is very simple. We want only x terms. These are variable terms. This x by 3 keep right side first. So left side. So right side you can write as is 7 by 15. Plus 1 is there. First you shift addition terms, subtraction terms. After they give preference for division and multiplication. So plus 1 you send that, it's a minus 1. So x by 3 is equal to, first you simplify 7 by 15 minus 1 is there. You take it LCM is 15. 7 minus 15 will come. So x by 3 is equal to 7 minus, so minus 8 by 15. Next step, x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. You don't want y 3 value division, you go for that side multiplication. X is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3. So 3 1s are 3 5s are, the value of x is equal to minus 8 by 5. Like this, any kind of problem you can't to do the procedure, you will get an answer. So now linear equation one variable set of for first 1 or 2 x's, the procedure is like this. So last intention thing, the how to do the question, how to do operation procedure, some typical situation how you need to do it is. So let us sample example I'll try to take. So previous example only, 2x plus 5 is there, is equal to 7 by 2 is there. Some people they try it out. I wanted to shift 3 directly. I want to shift first 2. Don't do it. First preference is addition or subtraction terms are there. You can do it first. Addition, subtraction. This is addition. You send to this. So 2x by 3 is equal to 7 by 2 minus 5. First priority is addition or subtraction. First priority. First do it. So I did off. I got answer. It is 5 2 10 minus 3 by 2. I got after that. So some questions are like this. Sir, can I shift to 3 first? Can I shift to 2? You can shift anyone, but according to for easiest procedure is second thing is division. Division terms you can do it first. So 3 sent to go for like this, multiply. So next the answer is what? 2x is equal to minus 9 by 2. Next last one is multiplication. So preference is like this. First addition or subtraction, you can send it to with respect to your variables. And after division pair, then after multiplication. Like this, you can get the answers a little simple. You can take any option, you can take any you send according to procedure. There's no problem, you'll get an answer the same. But sometimes you can take your own choice. You must be clear. You have to more awareness of that, the fractions, the division cases, how the division geometries are going to be changed. You must be clear. So with this, the exercise, first exercise and basic introduction, it was completed for today. The rest of the things, the rest of the problems, we can see in next class. Okay. Thanks for watching, and we can stop the process for till